This video will cover how to align the doors on your refrigerator. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. This is a two-step process. The first step adjusts the doors up and down, and the second step shifts the drawer fronts side to side. With the drawers closed, identify the drawer front that needs to be raised or lowered. Open the drawer to its full extension and grasp the sides of the interior bin and lift it up and out to remove. Important: each refrigerator drawer has two glides, one on the left side and one on the right side. Located on the brackets, which join the drawer glides to the back of the drawer front, are 4 screws, 2 screws on each bracket. The top screws tighten the glide bracket onto the drawer front. The bottom screws move the drawer front up and down. Insert the Phillips screwdriver into the top screw and turn counterclockwise to loosen the drawer front. Note: the drawer glides remain fixed. The drawer front is the only part being adjusted. Insert the Phillips screwdriver into the bottom screw to adjust the drawer front. Important: the direction you turn the adjusting screw depends on which side of the drawer you are adjusting. For the left-hand side drawer, turn the screw clockwise to raise the drawer front. To lower the drawer front, turn the screw counterclockwise. When you're finished making your vertical adjustment, use the Phillips screwdriver to tighten the top screw, making sure to turn it clockwise to tighten the drawer front. Close the refrigerated drawer to check alignment. Repeat the previous steps until the drawer fronts are aligned.